Okay, two ways that we can work with integrals that have fractions is to rewrite it by either doing long division or completing the square. So if I look at the number 5 and 6, neither of them can be factored. Notice they're both quadratics on the bottom. That is a clue that you probably want to complete the square. And right now we can't integrate it the way it's set up or take the antiderivative. So I need to somehow rewrite it another way. So the way we're going to complete the square, if you remember, is we are going to be adding a number. And the way we figure out what number to add is we take a half of the number in front of the x, half of 2 is 1, and we square it. 1 squared is 1. But this is the original problem. That 2 is still there, but if I just add 1, I've changed the problem. In order to keep it the same expression, if I add 1 to the expression, I have to subtract 1 as well. So I'm going to rewrite it like that, but then what it allows me to do is these terms now I can factor it to x plus 1 squared, and then these terms I can combine and just write it as 1. So this can be really rewritten as 1 over x plus 1 squared plus 1 dx. So again, the idea is I'm rewriting it another way, so hopefully I can take that antiderivative. Now when I look at it, this is our antiderivative rule for arctangent. My u is x plus 1, du is dx, so I'm not missing anything. Your a in this case is 1. So remember the rule for arctangent is 1 over a, which is just 1 over 1, which we don't need to write, but I can write it. Arctangent of u over a plus c. Try the same thing with the second one. It doesn't factor. It's a quadratic. That's my clue that I'm going to complete the square. So half of 4 is 2. 2 squared is 4. We're always adding a number. That 10 is still there. In order to keep it balanced, I'm going to go ahead and subtract the 4 also. So the first three terms factors into x minus 2 squared, and then 10 minus 4 is 6. So I can rewrite this problem as 1 over x minus 2 squared plus 6. And again, this falls into our pattern for arctangent. Your u is x minus 2. My du is just 1 dx. Your a in this case is square root of 6. Remember, it's u squared plus a squared. So this is 1 over a, arctangent of u over a plus c.